In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Fonts to your WordPress theme. Customizing your website's typography can transform its look and improve readability, and using Google Fonts is a great way to add flair and personality to your site. Let's walk through this process, step by step, to ensure your integration goes smoothly. First, you'll need to install a font plugin. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, which is the control center for your website. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Plugins. This will open a drop-down from which you should select Add New. Now, you'll see a search bar where you can look up specific plugins. Type in a query like Fonts Plugin or OMGF Vertical Bar GDPR DSGVO Compliant Faster Google Fonts. These plugins are specifically designed to help you incorporate Google Fonts into your site easily and efficiently. Once your results populate, browse through until you find a plugin that fits your needs. You'll notice a button labeled Install Now next to the plugin. Clicking it will start downloading and installing the plugin onto your site. This process should only take a moment or two. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. It's important to click Activate to enable the plugin functionality on your website. Only after activation will the plugin be able to assist in customizing your fonts. Once it's activated, the magic can really happen. With the plugin now up and running, it's time to customize your fonts. Head over to the Appearance section on the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Customize. This will bring you to the WordPress Customizer, an area where you can make changes and see them in real time. With the font plugin activated, you should notice a new section specifically geared towards fonts, such as Fonts Plugin or Typography. By clicking on this new section, you can begin to explore and choose from a variety of Google fonts that are now at your disposal. Try experimenting with different fonts until you find the ones that best suit your brand and aesthetic. Don't forget to consider both style and readability when making your selections. A font should not only look good, but should also be easily readable for your audience. Once you're satisfied with your selections, make sure to save your changes. There's usually a Publish button at the top of the customizer. Clicking this will ensure your new font choices are applied live on your site. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully integrated Google Fonts into your WordPress theme, giving it a fresh and stylish new look. Don't be afraid to revisit the customizer to tweak or update your font choices as needed. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your enhanced typography experience.